If you have diabetes, controlling your blood glucose levels is not the only protection you need. You also need vaccinations because in patients with diabetes, infections hit harder. So, in addition to your regular diabetes care, you also need to take timely vaccinations. So, what are all the vaccines that you need as an adult with diabetes? Now, the first vaccine is the flu vaccine or the flu shot. Now, this has to be taken every year. This not only prevents the risk of severe influenza, but it also helps to prevent hospitalizations due to influenza. The second vaccine is the pneumococcal vaccine. Now, this vaccine needs to be taken once in your entire lifetime, and this prevents the risk of severe pneumococcal pneumonia and pneumococcal infections. Now, the third vaccine that you need to take is the hepatitis B vaccine if you have not received it before. Now, this is because diabetic patients usually have a more increased contact with healthcare, so you do need to complete the 3-dose hepatitis vaccine schedule. Shingles vaccine. Now, any diabetic patient who's aged more than 50 years, the shingles vaccine is recommended. So, it is a 2-dose schedule, and this prevents the risk of severe herpes zoster and the tetanus, diphtheria, and the pertussis vaccine. Now, this vaccine you need to take 1 booster dose as an adult and repeat tetanus dose every 10 years. If you have diabetes, the next time you visit your doctor, ask your doctor, "Doctor, am I fully vaccinated?" Thank you.